Safely resetting your Raycon earbuds, a step-by-step guide.
Welcome to this guide on how to safely reset your Raycon earbuds to the factory settings. It's vital to ensure you take the correct steps to avoid causing any damage to your device. This guide will walk you through the process, highlighting the key steps and precautions you need to be aware of.
Why might you need to reset your Raycon earbuds?
Resetting your Raycon earbuds is necessary if you're experiencing connectivity or performance issues. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to avoid damaging the earbuds.
Before you begin, what do you need?
Before resetting your Raycon earbuds, ensure that they are fully charged. Resetting devices can often take up more battery than regular use, and the last thing you want is for the device to turn off mid-reset. Also, be sure to keep your charging case nearby.
Steps to safely reset your Raycon earbuds.
Now that you have everything you need, let's walk through the steps to safely reset your Raycon earbuds. 1. Take both earbuds out of the charging case and ensure they are turned on. 2. Press and hold the multifunction button on both earbuds for about 4 seconds. You'll know they've entered the pairing mode when the LED lights flash red and blue. 3. Double press the multifunction button on both earbuds. The earbuds will turn off after this step, which means they are reset. 4. Place the earbuds back in the charging case and leave them there for about 5 seconds. 5. Remove the earbuds from the case. They should automatically power on and are now reset to factory settings.
What to do after resetting?
Once you've successfully reset your Raycon earbuds, you'll need to repair them with your devices. Keep in mind that after the reset, your earbuds won't automatically connect to your device as they did before, so you'll need to go through the pairing process again. Resetting your Raycon earbuds to factory settings can be a quick fix for various issues. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that the process is done safely and effectively, preventing any damage to your device. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide has been helpful for you.